Good morning. Happy Friday. My name is Michael Leizerman here with the Trial Guides Tip of the Day this Friday, August 12th, 2022. What a great day. It's Rena and my 10-year wedding anniversary. Very happy to be married to her. And we practice law together. Do you practice law with your significant other, your spouse? Put a little note down in the comments. How does that work? It works out really great for us. But I hear some people tell me it's not for everyone. All right. Today's tip from Nick Raleigh, Courtney Raleigh, and Dr. Wendy Saxon from their book, Voir, an Opening Statement. Sometimes economic damages are not worth pursuing or fighting over. In most states, if you waive economic damages, then the defense does not get to talk about them. Yeah, not worth pursuing economic damages. If you know me, you know I have strong feelings about this. Yeah, don't fight over the economics, especially not if you have potentially huge non-economics. I think it distracts. And there's other people who do differently. I know people who put in economics and have had absolutely huge verdicts. So figure out what works for you. Here's an example I like to give. In a case where I did put in economics, the only trial I can think of in the last decade or so where I've done that, we had a workers' comp lien, and before I got involved in the case, the referring lawyer had done a workup, and I think the economic was 1.2 million, 1.3 million, somewhere in there, for past and future wage loss, and medical bills. And the defense, their economist, had put together, remember, it's like $988,000. Well, that was an easy one for me. We just stipulate to the $988,000. That's what we did. Everyone in this case agrees. The economics, what was taken as far as actual wages, $988,000. And what that just avoided was a half a day at least of trial of the jury listening to competing experts talking about the offset theory of growth and discounting versus the historical averages of the Dow Jones and S&P, and what the certain returns are to be and what the cost of living will blah, 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 blah. It's hard enough to keep jurors' attention with our underlying facts. The last thing I want is the jury in the jury room debating theories of economics. I want them talking about they killed somebody's spouse. They took away someone's freedom. They can't walk anymore. When they're talking about those things, then my client receives a fair and big verdict. When they're debating economics, I feel not so much. So that's how I feel about it anyhow. And some good advice from the Raleighs and Dr. Saxon this morning. Certainly worth thinking about. And that was just one case. In most cases, I just don't put the economics down. Again, I know of other people. I know people have put in a $10,000 funeral bill and had a 9-figure verdict. I don't. I don't want to talk about, I don't want to anchor a low number. I don't want to say, here, we want $10,000 reimbursement for the funeral. And I believe the overall value of this case is $50 million for the non-economic. So worth thinking about. All right, let's take a deep breath together and be grateful to be alive this Friday. Happy full moon, by the way. Last night's a full moon. It'll still look full tonight. You know how that works. So go out this weekend under the sky if it's clear where you are, and bask in some moonlight. All right, let us strive today to work as lawyers to reduce suffering in the world, to do good things in the world, to accomplish justice. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just wash over you and remind you, I'm alive today. Go out, do good things, work hard, and have fun while you're doing it. don't even have to work hard. Working hard's good, when you need to. Work skillfully, work with joyful effort. Work whatever work it takes to reduce suffering in the world. All right, have a great weekend. Here's the bell.